For a moment, I thought I was conversing with the departed. I could not believe the unraveling spectacle before my very own eyes. There were wild scenes of elation. The village square was crammed to the brim. Joy was the theme, hope the communal language. The bride had arrived. Finally, it was a November wedding. I turned around and saw my grandfather, tears undulating down his somnolent cheeks. He said, "Son, a taboo has been committed. The gods are livid. Exasperating is the land that revels a November wedding. For the bride cometh in white gowns, promising the village golden pathways. She shall speak exceedingly of the villagers, but in her heart she is the queen of fire." In a moment of psychosis and striking inanity, the village gloats. I can hear the men folk whistling and women ululating. Children are pirouetting and singing in the moonlight. Benediction they call the bride. In her bosom they hope to find milk. From her calabash they hope honey will ooze out. They all forget that they have congregated for a November wedding. The gods are benumbed. There shall be gnashing of teeth. In her bosom they shall find a bed of noxious shrub. Her patry is more venomous than the black mambas. Soon they will realize that in that white gown, nothing is white. The rains will not come. Famine will ravage the village. The pathways will grow thick grass, and the blood of the villagers shall water the flowers. It is a November wedding. Nothing noble comes from a November wedding. A man who eruditely marries a witch must not complain when he sleeps alone in the night. Be careful, don't be hoodwinked. There is nothing to celebrate. It's a November wedding. The gods are angry. old men then rested.